It's so perfect. Oh yeah, that's really hot. Got my ginger and my garlic here all ready to go. This comes out like that, slides right on, and then this, just push this lever down, and now it is stuck on the counter nice and firm. So I take my little piece of chicken, put that in there like so. I bring this down right on top and seesaw back and forth, and it cuts it paper thin. Let's see that again. Put my chicken in there. The seesaw motion, back and forth, pressing down, and then pull up. Voila, paper thin again. That was the Once for All meat slicer, and there's going to be a link in the description of this video. Thank you to them for gifting that to me. My ginger and garlic will give it some great flavor. What a beautiful bounty of colors. All these wonderful vegetables. All right, we're gonna get chopping here. The star of the show is Butterfork Chef Knife. I want to thank them for gifting this to me, and we have a lot of vegetables to chop, so you're gonna get to see why this knife is my new favorite. Ooh, that was easy. Now, I'm not gonna need all this onion. There will be a quiz at the end of this video because I forgot one of my ingredients. After all this chopping, there's one ingredient I left out. I want to know if you're gonna guess it. That's not the big mistake. Well, that's one mistake, but there is another big mistake that I made when making this stir fry. And if this is starting to feel like Napoleon Dynamite, who knows what movie that is, where you're just watching somebody go through the motions of everyday life. Yes, well, unfortunately, I'm having some technical problems, and so I can't just speed this up like I really want to. I really need a new computer, which brings me to another goal I wanted to mention. We're going for watch time here, so if you're still here watching, I really appreciate it. This channel is not monetized yet, so anything you can do to help by watching these videos, sharing them, or maybe getting one of these cool items that I keep showing you guys, that would help this channel out a lot. Adding cocoa aminos. And some Amari reduced sodium. I'm usually pretty generous with my ingredients when I cook. And I'm just going to throw some peanuts in there too. I thought that would taste pretty good. Normally I would have started with the onions and the peppers and the carrots to get a little bit of char on them, but I threw everything in at the same time and then added my liquids, and I have way too much liquid. And so this is more like steamed vegetables, but what you didn't see off camera is me scooping out some of that liquid because I had way too much and it wasn't turning out the way I wanted it to. But what ended up happening is that broth tasted so freaking good, and I'm mad that I did not film that and show that to you, but that broth just reminded me of pho, and so I want to make some pho now. Have you guessed which ingredient I forgot? You know, I don't know if you can really make mistakes with this. I'm sure it's going to taste good. It smells good. But anyway, give me some love. Let me know what you think about this. And let me know what you like in your stir fry. hit the like, hit the subscribe, and voila, there is the missing ingredient, the cilantro. It smells really good. Thanks for tuning in to Pure Vibes Kitchen. Make sure to subscribe and like the video, and check out the links to the items that I highlighted in the comments. Thanks, and we'll see you again. Bye.